Okay, guys, today I'm going to watch another normal orange video. It's called... Okay, I won't stop doing that. It's called the Hot Sauce Challenge. Let's see what's going on.
Well, this first sauce won't be much of a problem. This here is Grandpa Lemon's Sleepy Time Hot Sauce. It's a level 1 on the spicy scale. Put a little of that on your chicken wings there. What do you think?
It's good. Not too spicy.
Big burp for such a little guy. Yeah, this hot sauce ain't nothing in terms of spiciness.
Is that sweat I see on your forehead?
Me? Oh, no. I'm fine. I'm super tough when it comes to spiciness. Let's kick it up a notch and do the next one, shall we?
Sure thing. This one was suggested to us by Baby Carrot. It's called Come On Baby Light My Fire Hot Sauce. I like the label.
And I like the hot sauce.
Grapefruit? Are you standing in a pool of your own sweat?
Of course not. This is a mere level 3 spice, bro. And I told you, spice does not affect me. What do you think of this sauce?
The guy
Sorry, chicken wings make me burp.
That was kind of cool. There was a little smoke with that one. These must be getting pretty hot. Not that I can tell because, again, I'm impervious to spice.
And this next one shouldn't be an issue. It's called
Orange built his own sauce?
Water Handy Hot Sauce. This is a level 5 spice.
Good old Orange and his buns. You want a glass of water?
Because of this,
I'm gonna do this one.
I like you guys because this is
no
actually getting funnier.
Oh, totally. Me too.
Look at grapefruit, he's waiting. But I bet he's gonna be smoking sneaky after this.
Whoa!
He's breathing like a fire-breathing dragon.
Bro, you just went full dragon on me. If I had eyebrows, you would have singed them off. You're telling me that was only a little spicy?
Yep. Go ahead and try it.
Oh, yeah. Sure. I'm not scared. Delicious.
Are you crying?
I'm not sure. I think I might actually be bleeding from my eyeballs.
Well, we got one more sauce to try.
There's nothing above a level 5.
Apparently there is now. Level 6.
6? That's never been done.
Until now, I give you those pepper apocalypse. You scared?
I actually am not sure. I might have just fiddled myself, but that could also just be a pool of sweat. Or blood.
Here we go.
Wait, bro, you said chicken wings always make you burp, right?
Right.
So put it on something else, something that doesn't make you burp, you know?
Oh, totally great idea. Yeah, who would have known what would happen if I put it on chicken wings?
Video, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. If
A
you guys
burrito?
want me to react to other SML, Annoying Orange,
Oh, that is pretty spicy.
Annoying Orange, Sonic
A lot of beans in that
Raptor,
burrito?
55,
Sure, it is a burrito.
I don't know.
Okay then,
Bro.
here goes nothing.
Bros,
Grapefruit's
country
gonna
connect
chat
with
out
many
on
more.
some
Let
ghost
me know
pepper. Little echo, aim for the
what's your
skylight,
favorite
aim for the
movie?
skylight.
What the hell what happened? My God, this is so fun. Okay, guys. See you guys next time. I need to stop.